Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your map in Hearttopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update of Hearttopia, you will see some menus, new menus on your map. Now you can customize the map according to your needs. For example, you can remove the construction information like this. And you can also remove the DG member menu, and also for the marker. Okay, yeah, just like that. And this is new feature in Hearttopia. You can if you just want to focus on the resident, so you can remove the other informations, and you can show the resident only like this, or you can try to focus on the DG member, so you can show the DG member only like this. Okay, you can customize it as you like. Okay guys, and that's how you can customize your map in Hearttopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.